Yes.
Okay.
Cancel this ticket.
Okay.
And Korean pets.
I use card.
Use car.
Yeah.
Bupyeong station. So take off. Next.
We made it to Busan. Okay, 감사합니다. We're here. Cute! So cute. So you collect stamps. I'm bad at explaining things, so let's just go.
선명한 그대 모습에 살며시 웃어봅니다. 고개를 숙여봐도 터진 이 미소를 감출 수 없잖아요.
매일 똑같던 햇살이 유난히 따스하네요. 거리로 나서볼까? 괜한 상상해볼까? 내일도
떡볶이?
얼마 믹스.
한국만 못해요.
사람 많아서 그거 제가 그냥 코로나 치고도 진짜 와 사람 많아요. 이게 뭔가 재밌어.
감사합니다. This Airbnb is so cute. This is the view. bed, bedside table, some more home decor, microwave. It has a washer and a stove top. And then here is the shower. A normal shower head. No hate to Korean shower heads, but I can't. I'd rather use double. So nice. So this is the view from my bed. Can I just stay here? I can't. I have to go to Hyundai Beach and take the Blue Line train. But I'm just gonna chill for a little bit. Oh, it's so nice. I could cry. Also, I got this Blackpink Frappuccino. It's I forgot the flavor. Something. Well, we'll find out now. Hana dulce. Oh, it's a strawberry frappuccino. Put chocolate on the bottom. I can definitely do this at home. Wow, look at the view, guys. It's great. Yeah, this is so much better than the one that I stayed in Gyeongbu area. I didn't even film. That's how like I was on a budget. For the record, I was trying to save money. That's why I got that Airbnb. But yes, I splurge on this one. I think this is the most expensive out of all the Airbnbs that I got. But look at the view though. So nice. Okay, now how do I turn on the AC? Look, the AC's on the ceiling. Welcome to Korea, I guess. I got lost. What's new? Alright. I don't know where I'm going. I don't know where I'm going. This turns out to be a trail. I just want to go to the Blue Line station. Hopefully no one eats me here. I'm gonna try this hotok with seeds, and you can only find it here in Busan. It's very hot. It's been a minute and it's still so hot. Okay. Ooh. Interesting. There's saltiness to it. The first time I tried hotok, it was very sweet, but this one has salt in it. Besides, there's also different kind of seeds in there. I don't know if I can name them. I see sunflower seed and peanuts. But I like people are looking at me right now.
Oh my god.
Okay, now I can taste the sweetness. This is not sponsored by Olive. I was gonna say Olive Garden. Olive Beauty. Olive Young, what's that from? Okay, we're gonna go around. Ooh, there's kalguksu. That's one in my list. Maybe I'm gonna try them when I'm back in Seoul. But they're candied foods. What else is in there? That famous ice cream thingy. I've been seeing them in America though. I don't know. A lot of skewers. I don't know if I want to get skewers because they're just like barbecue in the Philippines. Chestnuts. There's manghuhula over here. Ooh, sticky. And that's it. I think that's it for the BIFF Square. Okay, let's go back again. Let's do a double take. Ooh, look at this view. Not gonna lie though, I was very sad earlier because I've been really looking forward to visit Hyundai Beach and the Blue Line Park. But you know, sometimes you just gotta roll with the punches. I want to eat something. Like something savory or more filling. Besides, is that odeng? No. It's like I'm not a dumpling person, so I'm gonna skip that. That looks like shingaling. That is the hot dog that I got. Lots of line here. What do they have? I see odeng, tteokbokki, and dumplings. So different varieties of street food. And then there's Korean hot dogs. 얼마예요? 1, 2, 3. Yo, that was so funny. I asked how much it was, and I keep forgetting that I don't know what the numbers are in Korean. I mean, I know like kanadose, but when it comes to like prices, I get puzzled when they apply to me in numbers that I don't know. Okay, that's so embarrassing. Oh, there's a CUI. I just finished my hot dog and now I'm ready for odeng. odeng 하나 주세요.
하나 안 팝니다. 3개가 1인분 3,000원입니다. 3개가 1인분 3,000원이요. 3. 열어오세요.
잘 먹겠습니다. I thought I was getting just one, but I got 3. Let's take a bite. That is fishy, and I like it. The hype is real. I understand Kim Bupyeong now. This is so good. 10 out of 10. Alright, I just got the essentials. Alright, part 2. I'm looking for the ice cream one. And then after that, I'm done for tonight. Or maybe not. 얼마예요? 4,000. Okay, 하나 주세요. Oh, why is it so short? 감사합니다. Last one for tonight. This is definitely not sanitary, but what's the fun of it, right? Oh. I needed this. Oh my gosh. This is it. For Busan. I mean, there's still tomorrow. I'm going to Magnate. And then we're bound for Gyeongbu, which is the food capital of South Korea. Which means I'm gonna eat some more. Bye. I mean, 안녕하세요. 안녕히 가세요. Or 안녕히 계세요? Okay, I have to look it up. I know no one. These are mostly directors who I haven't heard of. Yeah, I'm gonna wait till we get to Gangnam. Is this Filipino? It's been good, Busan. I am definitely coming back for you. I'm sitting right in front of this fan because it's so hot. It's hotter than yesterday. So I got the Z-Millennial drink. I don't know what's in it. And we're about to find out. And I have Tata with me. Tata has been with me everywhere.